Hi, Miss Gale here from the Boulder City Library. I wanted to tell you about a really fun craft that we have here. It's pirates. For the month of June, if you come to the library, you can get a take-and-make craft. You take it home and make it. You can either come in, pick it up when you get your books, or you can call and pick it up with your books with our curbside delivery. Your craft will look like this. It's got a little puppet that actually takes out like that. Now you and the little puppet can have adventures. They're really easy to make. You'll get this craft kit with instructions. This is a great gift for dads. It says, "Dad, you are a treasure." So, our matey, come on down to the library and get yours today.
Hi, I'm Cindy from the Boulder City Library, and I wanted to remind you that we have lots of books that you can get as you're picking up your craft. We have a book called Good Pirate and Bad Pirate. They are by Carrie Lynn Winters. Ooh, and we also have Pirate Pete's Talk Like a Pirate by Kim Kennedy. We also have many Father's Day books as well. This one is called A Perfect Father's Day by Eve Bunting. So come to the library and find lots of books on pirates and for Father's Day. See you then. Bye-bye, matey.